Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video. As you can see, I'm in quarantine mode and with my pajamas on, didn't even bother to change. This is how I spend 24 hours a day. But yeah, today we have one new unboxing for you. And it's a very weird thing. It's this. This is an Apple TV remote loop, it is called. And I'm actually searching for my Apple TV remote. I will find it for the video. But yeah, this is basically a strap that you put on the remote of the Apple TV, and it just acts like something to tie to your hand in case you're playing games, so you don't throw it out of the window or to the TV or something even worse. But yeah, the good thing about this is that it connects to the Lightning port in the Apple TV remote, so theoretically it should work for any Lightning device. And that's actually one of the reasons why I bought it. I just want to check how it is, like on the iPhone, on different iPhones, iPods. So yeah, let's open this. Well, actually first, let me take the Apple TV remote. So I got it now, it's here. So we'll leave it here and open this. I'm guessing it will be very simple. So this retails for €9, but I got it discounted for 5-ish. So that's pretty good. And yeah, this is it. So it's very well put in here. So here and then pull here. And how is this? So there's a plastic that is stuck in here, and then you just pull the plastic off and you take this out. So yeah, the material is like a silicone, but it's not very flexible. And yeah, what you do is just tie it here, and then this, as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like little things here to attach to the Lightning port. So then there are buttons on the sides where you can hide them, and that, I'm guessing, is to take it out. So you have to connect it, you just pull in, and it's connected, and it's very safe because of those like triangles it has to prevent it from pulling out. And yeah, here it is. I'm hanging my Apple TV remote, and you can adjust this to your wrist, and yeah, it's very simple. So yeah, now you can be like this and play games without worrying about throwing it everywhere. So yeah, this is it. It's a very simple accessory. But actually, let's try it with an iPhone. Okay, so I brought a few devices here, not all the iPhones, and we will take this off. As I said, to take it off, you have a couple buttons here, so you hide the thingies that keep it attached. You take it off very easily, then put that there, take this out, and then let's start actually with, let's start with the iPod Nano. As I said, well, it has to be a Lightning device. I actually wanted to connect it to a smaller iPhone, but they're all the 30-pin connector, so... Oh, wait! Is there a possibility that every other Lightning device isn't compatible? No. Oh no, this is sad news. Yeah, so as I said, because of these little thingies, apparently the Apple TV remote is the only one that has room for them. Yeah, there. So here it holds, but elsewhere this is just like pulling out of it, so you can't really attach it. So this is sad. This is very sad, because how cool would it be to like have it like this? The iPod, like, it would be so cool, but it's not possible. Yeah, like the iPhone. Imagine the iPhone like this. Like, this would be so awesome. Like going like this in the street. Yeah, have my iPhone attached, but no, because it just comes out really easily. With a bigger iPhone, maybe it would be more of a hassle, but still, it would. Yeah, it looks very good. Sorry, I don't know what that is. But yeah, I guess it's not gonna happen. Well, still works with the Apple TV remote. I'm guessing it works with the Apple TV HD remote, which is this one, the 4th generation. and with the new 4K one. And that's pretty much it. That's everything you can use it with. But yeah, so yeah, thank you very much for watching this weird video. If you have any questions about this, let me know down below in the comments. I will do my best to answer as always. Also, if you want to see very exciting videos, don't forget to subscribe. I recently uploaded, depends on when you're watching this, but when this is going live, I recently uploaded AirPods Pro review, MacBook review if it's like the 16-inch MacBook Pro. If it's not uploaded, it will be coming very soon. And yeah, just lots of Apple related videos. So if you're an Apple fan, and you have to be really an Apple fan to be watching an unboxing of this, just click whatever to subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.